So in this video we're going to be multiplying and dividing rational expressions. So let's start with something 6x squared over 5xy times 15x y cubed times x 8xy to the 4. Now, as we remember multiplying fractions, you just go straight across. And so 6 times 5 should give me 90. And then I can add the exponents, so x cubed, and then I have a y cubed. Same with here. 5 times 8 is 40. X to the 1 and x to the 1 will give me x to the 2. Y to the 1 and y to the 4 will give me y to the 5. So now we remember how to factor things out. So I know that 90 over 40 is the same as 9 over 4. And then x to the 3 divided by x to the 2, the exponents will subtract, so I'm left with x to the 1 in the numerator, and then so that'll cancel. I'm left with x. These two will cancel. On the bottom, 3 minus 5 will give me negative 2. So that's basically like saying that, we could have put negative 2 like this, 9x y negative 2 over 4. But this negative 2 just means it's a 1 over y to the 2. So same as this. So yeah, that has been a very simple one. Let's do something a bit more fun. This one looks fun. So, right off the bat, let's start doing some factoring. I can factor this and that. I know that that's my difference of squares, so that'll be x minus 2, x plus 2, x plus 6, x plus 6. That's just x plus 6 squared. Times, let's factor that out, two numbers that multiply to 18 but add up to 9, same sign. That should be 3 times 6, x plus 3, x plus 6 divided by 2 times, see this 2, x minus 2, if I take out the negative sign from the bracket and put it in front of there, I'm left with x plus 2. Sorry, no, x minus 2. Now, I can start canceling things out. So if I put all this over the same bracket, or the same fraction, now I have in the denominator x minus 2 in the numerator. Those are gone. Same with one of these x plus 6's. And now all I'm left with is that negative in the denominator with that, so I can bring the negative up here, so I can write negative x plus 2. I'm left with this one, x plus 3, and denominator. The 2 is still there. X plus 6. let's do another one. Maybe one more. This one looks like it's gonna be fun. Let's do this one. Let's do. Oh, I want to blow this one. Let's go. 21p minus 3p squared over 16p plus 4p squared divided by 14 minus 9p plus p squared 12 plus 7p plus p squared. So, now that we have a division sign, that means nothing. All we do is flip the sign. Okay? And then these I'm going to rewrite it in ways that I like. I like putting my higher numbers on one side. So, let's factor out a 3p from here first. Let's do 3p, because I know 21 and 3 have a common factor of 3, so that'll give me 7 minus p. And then for this one, I also have a 4 and a p in both, so I can do and now we're going to flip this around to multiply. So in the numerator, I'm going to have this, but if I was to factor that ahead of time, that's the same as writing this p squared plus 7p plus 12. So two numbers that multiply to 12 and add up to that, that's 3 and 4. So I can write that out. But if I write it out like that, well, let's just write it out like that, see what happens. 4 plus p, 3 plus p. And the same goes for the numerator. That's p squared minus 9p plus 14. So that'll give me two numbers, two negative numbers. I'm going to say negative 2 and negative 7. P and p. Yeah, that should work. 7 minus p. 2 minus p. And right away I can see so many things to cancel. 4 plus p, 4 plus p. 7 minus p, 7 minus p. And so what does that leave me with in the numerator? I have this p here and that p there. So now I'm left with 3 in the numerator with this 3 plus p. And denominator I have a 4 and a 2 minus p. And yeah, that's all it was. Simple as that. Just factoring. When you can factor them, then you can like easily just start canceling them out in the numerator and denominators. But yeah, that's been like a common theme here, that we just kept repeating and repeating. And I hope this was helpful in some way. And in the future videos, we might get into more complex ones. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that, and I shall see you in the next one.